How to invest in stocks on Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to invest in stocks on Cash App. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. This is the homepage of the app where you can send, request, and manage your money. From here, tap on the Money tab, which is the $ icon found at the bottom of the screen. This will take you into the Money section of your Cash App account. On this page, scroll down until you reach the More For You section, where you will find a tile labeled Stocks with the tagline Invest with $1. Go ahead and tap Start next to it. This takes you to the Stocks page, where you can see a headline that says Start investing with just $1, along with trending lists like Most Traded Monthly and Biggest Daily Movers. Next, tap on the search icon at the top of the page and type in the name of the company you want to invest in, for example, Google. A list of matching results will appear, showing options such as Alphabet Inc., Class A, and Class C. Tap on the one you want, and you will land on that stock's detail page, showing its current price, performance chart, and a summary about the company. Here, tap the Buy button, then choose or type in how much you would like to invest, whether that is a preset amount or a custom figure. Confirm your cash PIN when prompted, then review your order summary, which shows the share price, number of shares, and total cost. Once everything looks correct, confirm the purchase to complete your investment. Thanks. I hope this tutorial helped you invest in stocks on Cash App. That is, how to invest in stocks on Cash App.